let's get started.
Nakakatakot?
Yeah.
Pero you won't see my beautiful outfit.
Okay, let's go.
Aray ko.
Let's walk into our...
Hi, welcome to the convenience store.
Sorry?
Hoy, ang... Oh, wow.
Time punch
Automatic,
machine. Clock in. Nice. Now get the broom from the shed outside and clean the floors. Come
Ba't ba
on, let's
naka sa
go.
outside?
Let's go in turns. Charot.
I am not an intern.
Wala namang atong intern sa mga convenience store. Come on. Don't be slow. Don't be slow.
Okay, wala
Wala pa nga
pa.
eh.
Meron pa bang Messi?
Oo, love life ni Ate Missy.
Ako na naman nakita nyo, ha?
Ang 7% na lang. Ba dito sa CR?
Hoy, wag niyo naman ako iwanan!
Hoy, samahan nyo nga ako sa CR. Hoy, ito.
Hindi ko kayo makita.
Hoy, sino ba to? Who you? State your name and purpose. No? Okay. Please open this door.
It's whistling. I
Please
know that.
open this door. Cheline.
Ano?
Please open this door.
Tawa! Wait, kuhain ko lang si Ate Missy.
Bagal! Okay, I found the mess. Yay!
Okay na.
Collect money from the cash registers.
I think we're stealing.
Remember, no stealing, no robbery.
No.
Oh my gosh, another jump scare. I'm brave, I won't scream.
Hey, this is my cashier. How dare you?
Mukha mo.
Maganda.
Get packages from the storage room and restock.
Asan kayo? Wait nyo lang ako. Iniwaanan ako.
Okay, hurry up. Newbie. Come on, hurry up, newbie.
Asan ka ba? Sino ba to? Sino ba to kasama ko? Nakahawak ng broom.
Oh, that's
It's a witch. Char.
nasa yung packages.
In here, interns, pick up the package. Ate Missy, saan ka ba nakatingin? Ikaw ba yung may broom?
Yeah.
Anong gagawin mo dyan?
Ba't sabi mo Ate Missy?
Oh, yan.
Everything
Ate
na
Missy.
kami.
Okay, equip the package and then look for a white shelf.
I found a white shelf.
Everything is white.
Wala na. Tapos na ako.
Uy, hindi ko alam ginagawa mo.
Di ba ba? Di ba pala?
Oh, why is it so slow?
Oh, why are you so slow?
This is why we're rated as the baddest convenience store. Because our employees are inconvenient.
Ano ba yan? Ang pangit.
Kung saan ba to?
Maghanap ka ng puting shelf yung parang ganito. I-equip mo muna yung package.
Ay, equip pala.
Ay nako, mga newbies nga naman.
Ikaw kaya yun.
So inconvenient.
Like your inconvenience store.
Yeah! Restart the power. Hey, newbie, I ain't doing that. Come here.
I can't even see you.
Nasaan ba yung tower?
Who's
Bumalik kayo dito sa storage room. State your name and purpose.
Celine, this is me. I'm holding the broom. Char.
Hey, newbie over here. Where are you going? Walk.
Saan ba pupunta?
Saan pa ba?
Madam, saan tayo?
Sa labas. Restart the power. Hey, you restart the power. So slow. You ain't even touching the machine. And what is that, a microphone? Are you gonna
You're so
sing?
ingay. How can we concentrate?
Napakaingay na itong boss na ito.
Oh no.
Ang sama nyo talaga.
Bakit wala kayo? Sinaraduhan pa ako ng pinto.
Guys, I want to stick together.
Together.
Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Eh, bakit trust
So left or right?
Uy, wala tayong stoppers.
Asa ka ba?
Hey, come here. Ano ba yan?
Ito na lang.
Sorry.
Oo, oo. If the glitch... Oo, oo. Nasa ka ba?
Ay, nasa likod.
If the glitch intensifies, it means the enemy is near. And also the enemy has like a light indicator around it, so you know you can see him. Okay, I will be
Lead the way.
I will be the lookout. One of you stock the packages. That is the game plan. That is the game team.
Watch out, girl. Watch out.
We stuck. Check my back. I mean. Come on. Come
Here,
on.
here, here,
Go back,
here.
go back, go back. Go back muna. Oh my gosh, that's why I said go back. Why are you so...
I can't revive.
Ay, ba't ganito?
It costs 49 Roblox. Ay, Roblox. Roblox.
Ay nako,
No,
looks like it's you and me against the world, Ate Mishka.
I died. I died.
Party?
I died.
Gusto ko na kami.
Okay, now we know what to do. Let's restart.
You used me.
What do you mean I used you? You died on your own.
I did not. You said go back.
I was being a good boss, nagging
said-
around my newbie employees.
You said go back. I was going to go back to the storage room.
Who cares?
Ilip mo!
Hoy! Na-stuck ako sa door!
Kabahan lang sa mall.
Why are you chopping your manager?
Para hindi ka maingay.
I will clean that. Sabi ko, I will clean that eh. Don't you understand? Ah! What is that?
Collect money from the cash registers. Hey, no stealing.
We're not
We
stealing.
have... Where are my security cameras? We have security cameras all over, so if you try to do something funny. Ito na.
Asan
Oh,
kayo?
no.
Come on, interns. Char. Final fix it. Uy, yun nangyari. Huh? What? I died!
Buti nga sa'yo.
Hey.
Kailangan daw kasi mga intern ang kulit mo kasi eh.
Okay, fine. You do it. Oh, someone came through the door.
We're closed. Can't you see? TBC, magtatago na lang talaga ako.
Girl. Umayos ka.
Okay, first things first, we need a game plan.
I hate your game plan. I die.
Yeah, that's because of your own foolishness. Anyway, since Aline is blind, she will refill the packages and you be the lookout, Mishka. Now go pick up the packages, girls.
Bakit ako maglo-look out?
Eh kasi bulag si Celine, alam mo naman namatay yan, di ba?
Ah, okay.
Pag may nakita ko yung tao na parang yung katawan niyang may pinaliligiran ng ilaw, yung killer yun.
Timisi, ikaw ba?
Ano ba yan? Ang babagal niyo naman.
Go.
Ba't ko pa kayo hinire?
Timisi, ikaw yung look out. Dapat ikaw yung nasa unahan.
Okay.
Okay, I will be looking out for you. Balik! Celine, nasa likod mo! Sa likod mo!
Timisi!
Nasaan ka na?
Baka sa mga matches ka. Baka ma-flat.
Ate Missy, nandiyan sa harap mo! Ay, nako. Bagal niyo.
Incompetent.
Yes, I'm about to fire you soon. Kasi wala pa nga tayo na stock na yung isang shelf. Lahat tayo patay na agad.
Kasi,
Oh, you blaming my harmonious voice. That's the real jump scare right there. That's the real jump scare, Chaline. Chaline is the real jump scare. Chaline.
can you be a good boss and literally correct my name?
Chaline.
40% pa lang ang nagagawa natin.
Fine, Chaline.
Challenge. Oh no!
What you do?
What you do? What you do? What you do? What you do?
I promise I paid the electricity bill.
You did not. You're broke.
Oh, I am certainly not. Okay, dalawang lookout, isa mag-restock ng shelves.
Paano
Say,
look
ikaw
out?
yun. Lookout, titingnan mo kung nandyan yung killer.
Flashlight nyo. Alis ka dyan. Ano
ba?
to?
I'm hide here in the vending machine. Do I fit? Hey, Ate Missy. Don't you
Saan
dare.
tayo?
Huy, alis dyan. Babalik na tayo. Balik na tayo.
Mga taong to, takot eh.
Uy, dali. Make a run for it. Make a run for it.
Wait lang guys, hindi ako marunong tumakbo.
Ate Missy, pumasok ka.
Ito na nga eh. Ayan, patay na.
Oh my gosh.
Go guys, kaya niyo yan.
We see where we were working on it. We were going to live together.
You're so a bad boss.
Ate Missy,
Mag-restock lang kayo, kaya
Ate
niyo
Missy,
yan.
bantayan mo rin kami ah.
Uy, saan
Lalo.
yung kasama ko?
Salit-salita
yung
naman
flashlight.
tayo. Wait lang, nandiyan siya. Pumunta siya sa left. So, sa right tayo.
Uy, light.
Flashlight.
Ikaw na.
Ang dalawang ito, hindi pa nagkaintindihan kung anong flashlight pa ang kukunin eh.
Ito, meron ako dito. Bantayan mo ako. Bantayan niyo ako. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, bababaan ko talaga yung paycheck niyo.
Tagal, ang tagal. Balik, bilis. Ang tagal, Celine, ang tagal.
Hindi pa ako tapos eh.
Once again, your boss did it.
Hindi pa ako tapos.
70% pa kayo guys. Baka last one na to.
Ano nga? Ang kulit mo. Dito nga.
Asan kayo? Anong ginagawa nyo?
Nag-restock na ako.
Ay!
Ang galing! Ang galing! Ang galing! Dalawa pa, kaya nyo. Sa labas kayo, umikot muna kayo sa labas. Tapos siya kayo pumasok. Hoy, dumalapit kayo. Oh, sige, Celine. Feel mo. Ano?
Wala akong flashlight. Wala akong makita.
Uy, wala siya makita. Ito talaga si Cassie. Mauna ka kasi.
Mauna ka.
Mauna ka kasi. Oh. Wait lang. Ito naman, nagmamadali naman aring isang
Kiss
ari.
the wall.
Okay,
Go
wala
ahead and
dito.
kiss
Sa
the
kabilang
wall.
side, try nyo.
Dito, tingnan mo. Bubuksan ko. O yan, tingnan mo.
Ayoko.
Wala?
Wala.
Okay.
Kabilang side, guys. Oy. Cassie, where are you? Wait
Uy,
lang,
wala
oy,
ko
iniwan mo si Celine.
To! Daya natin.
Tuka ng mga to.
Ay, di ka kumuha ng
Last one.
package.
Uy, wait lang. Ba't hindi
Last
ka
one, last
kumuha
one,
ng
dali.
package?
Saan kayo?
Uy, wait lang, naiwan si Celine.
Huy, dito! Ano ba? Ka ba?
Sa likod, sa likod.
Saan?
Sa likod ka dumaan. Tagal, Celine ha. Takbuhin mo na yan.
O, ito sila yung last package. Saan ka ba? Sa likod. To, package.
Saan ka na ba?
I picked it up.
Ay, nakuha mo na.
Ay, nakuha mo na pala.
Nakakainis. Hindi mo
Wala
ako.
akong flashlight.
Uy, nasan ka na? Ito si Cassie. Ang bagal. Ay,
Ano ba?
inconvenient.
Oo. Bakit sa... Tingnan mo dyan. Ayun, no? Saan? Ay, wait, nandun siya. Wait lang. Nakita ko siya.
Go. Cassie, look out. Cassie, look out.
Bilisan mo! Ba? Dali!
Takbo! Takbo! Takbo!
Celine!
Takbo, Celine! Ang bagal mo! Diyos ko po. Anong kasunod? Throw out the trash daw.
Wala sa tingin kasama ko.
Wala na.
Bakit yung light yung tinatapon ko? Okay.
Sayang wala ka.
Nandito ako, oh. In spirit.
In spirit.
Ano ba, Gary? In spirit. Count the drinks at the fridges and
27
input
minutes.
a computer.
Ikaw mag-count.
Oh, ikaw daw mag-count.
Dalawa tayo, kala mo.
Ano ba yan?
Kape.
Sa yung lookout ka, magbibilang ako.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Go, guys.
Woo!
Balik.
7 drinks.
7 drinks.
Let's go, 7 drinks.
7 drinks.
Oh, saan i-input? Input nyo na, bilis.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hoy, ikaw naman.
Ba't ako?
7 daw.
4 drinks. 7 plus 4.
Come on, boy. Come on. Incorrect.
Ay, may nag-doorbell.
7 plus 4 kasi.
I said,
7 plus 4.
11. Oh, wala naman.
Girl, kasi 1-1.
Ba yan?
1-1. Sorry.
Kailangan pa natin mag-count.
Yay!
O ikaw naman, ano ka ba?
Hindi mo ba tapos?
Di pa.
Bakit?
Ang dami-dami.
Ay, incorrect. What?
Incorrect, madam. Itong boss natin.
Uy, balik! Pag ikaw namatay. Sabi ko, bantayan mo ko. Ang hula ka na ng girl.
Correct.
Ano, ilan?
Hindi ko alam. Ano ba yan? Clean the windows. Paano naman ito?
Labas ka, punta ka sa labas. Punta ka labas. Go. Inisin mo na. Okay, go. Go to the bus stop. Ayun. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, ayun. Ayun, dali. Dali. Oh. Oh. Yay!
Yes, I won it. I am so good. I am so good.